The CMF Phone 2, anticipated successor to Nothing's budget-friendly CMF Phone 1, is generating considerable interest due to recent leaks and teasers. Expected to launch in April 2025, the device may feature a 6.3-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering up to 2,500 nits of peak brightness. It's rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, coupled with up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The phone might house a 5,000 mAh battery supporting 50W fast charging and run on Android 15-based NothingOS 3.1. Camera-wise, the CMF Phone 2 is speculated to include a triple camera setup, a 50MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP sensor, with a 16MP front-facing camera for selfies. Design leaks suggest the continuation of CMF's signature customizable back panel with a dial-like screw for attaching accessories, and the addition of a third camera lens arranged in a triangular configuration. Pricing is expected to start at 17,999 Indian rupees for the 8GB per 128GB variant. These details are based on current leaks and rumors. Official specifications may vary upon release.